So in this video, I'm going to talk about the phrase as far as I'm concerned and as far as something is concerned. So you can use in both ways. The first one is as far as I'm concerned. It can be used to give the opinion to somebody. So as far as I'm concerned, my computer has to be upgraded. As far as I'm concerned, I have to buy a new computer. Okay. As far as I'm concerned, I have to buy a new keyboard. So to give the opinion, to say something. Okay. And as far as something is concerned is, I could say, as far as my computer is concerned, I have to put the new software in. Okay. So about the particular object, I'm talking about the computer because the same example I'm giving to simplify it to make it more clear. So as far as my keyboard is concerned, I have to buy a new keyboard. Very simple, and you could use it in any kind of conversation, formal, informal, but this phrase is also popular, so you could use it whenever you want. So that is all about the video, and I'll catch you with the next video next time.